Frank.
I don't bloody believe this. Or I get that moron out of here.
You shouldn't. I can't, I'm sorry.
Come on. You owe me a dance.
You shouldn't be here.
No, Elise, this is the one place on earth I should be.
How did you get in here?
I told the doorman you were my wife and I wanted to keep an eye on you. Italians are big on that kind of thing.
Leave.
No. Do you like the suit? You paid for it. I've been thinking about your friend Pierce and his plan. And so far, I'm thinking it hasn't worked out for him.
No?
No. Take that gangster guy.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. I don't believe that Pierce was prepared for him being here for the whole chase.
Will you please leave?
You're kind of worried about me, aren't you?
Yes.
And I'm worried about you.
Frank.
And I'm not leaving without you.
You were part of the plan. You were useful. That's all. What do you think? I saw you on the train and my heart stopped. Leave.
This way, please.
Excuse me, sir. I think you've made a mistake. What's it say?
Sbarca della signora Porta.
It looks like they've called up our boat. What should we do?
She may just be playing with us. Let's wait.
From Dementor St. Giacomo, 23, please.
Okay, good. We have the address. I'm gonna follow her on the boat. I want snipers on all surrounding rooms. And if you get a visual on Pierce first, call.
Mi serve un rapporto prima di giovedì.
Help. Hello?
Let's have a little fun with it.
Por favor. Who are you people? Where are we going?
Well, I don't know. Alexander? Where are we going?
I'm not Alexander. My name is Frank Tupelo. I'm an American citizen and I have rights.
I don't care what you call yourself these days. Your name is Alexander Pierce, and you have no rights. Until you pay us 744 million pounds back taxes.
744 million.
Looks like someone else is following our target.
Reginald Shaw. Well, this could be fun. All right, stay close but not too close and get the office to send me an interpreter.
All right.
Yes, 744 million. You didn't think we knew about that bank account in Liechtenstein?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Listen, you asshole. I know everything about you. I even know how much that face cost. 24 million wired to a Brazilian surgeon from a numbered Swiss bank account. I haven't been able to prove it. But now I don't have to. Because I just lock you in a box in a basement until you tell me where the money is. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right, Frank. I know you're not Alexander Pierce. But you know who you are? You're a moron. And you're a moron that almost ruined my £8 million sting operation. Twice. So you're gonna stay here until this is all over?
Please, you can't do this. I haven't done anything. I shouldn't be here.
You know what I think? I think that this is the one place on Earth you really should be.